Ever thought of a steady income on Fiverr without the passive route? Dive in as we unveil strategies to carve your unique space in this bustling marketplace. Stay tuned! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today we're exploring unique avenues to monetize your skills on Fiverr without relying on passive income. Stay with us till the end. This journey on Fiverr could reshape your financial horizon. First things first, it's all about finding your niche. Knowing what you excel at is the cornerstone of your success on Fiverr. Your skills and interests are your best assets here. Now, it's not just about what you're good at, but also what the market craves. Conduct a little research to identify high-demand niches. Spot those services that are sought after, but have fewer sellers. A little digging can help you find that sweet spot where demand meets your expertise. This is where you carve out a space for yourself on Fiverr. Standing out in a specific field is your ticket to attracting clients. Let's switch gears and talk about your profile. Your profile is the window through which potential clients see you, so make it count. An eye-catching profile is your first handshake with a client. It needs to reflect your skills, expertise, and professionalism. Now let's delve into the nuts and bolts. A high-quality profile picture, a compelling bio, and a well-crafted portfolio are your trinity here. They work in tandem to create a great first impression. But it doesn't end there. The devil is in the details. Optimize your username, gig titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This SEO juice helps your profile pop up when clients are on the hunt. Now onto the gigs you'll be offering. Here's where you need to spruce things up a bit. Your unique selling proposition or USP is your magic wand here. Identify what sets you apart from the swarm of sellers on Fiverr. Your USP is your ticket to standing out in a crowd. Creating gig packages is like laying out a spread for your clients. Different pricing tiers cater to diverse client needs and budgets. Offering a range of packages not only caters to a wider audience, but also boosts your chances of securing orders. It's about giving choices and being flexible. Now let's talk about proving your mettle through a solid portfolio. A portfolio is your story told through your work. It's essential to showcase your previous work, sprinkle in some testimonials, case studies, or any evidence that sings praises of your expertise and credibility. Is this speaking to you? Don't let the conversation end. Subscribe, thumb up, and ring the bell for more engaging talks. Ready to keep the dialogue going? Let's jump back in. Up next is leveraging Fiverr extras and upsells. Upselling is like asking, do you want fries with that? It's about enhancing the value of your primary gig. Identify additional services that you can tag along with your primary gig. It could be anything from faster delivery, additional revisions, or premium support. Your communication with clients is the bridge to long-term relationships and repeat business. Prompt, professional communication is the name of the game here. Responding swiftly to inquiries and maintaining a professional tone can foster client satisfaction, leading to positive reviews and repeat business. Moving on to the community aspect of Fiverr. There's a wealth of knowledge within Fiverr communities that's ripe for the picking. Joining Fiverr communities is like opening doors to a realm of networking and learning from other seasoned sellers. It's about being part of a tribe that's navigating the same waters. Sharing experiences, gaining insights, and picking up valuable tips and tricks from others can be a game changer in your Fiverr journey. Now let's circle back to the essence of our discussion. Making a sustainable income on Fiverr without leaning on passive earnings is a landscape filled with potential. It boils down to carving out your niche, jazzing up your profile, offering unique gigs, and building a robust portfolio. Upselling and outstanding customer service are your companions along this journey. They not only add value to your gigs, but also build a rapport with your clients. Engage with the Fiverr community, keep learning, keep growing. It's about nurturing a mindset of continuous improvement. With the right approach, the sky's the limit on Fiverr. It's about exploring these avenues, honing your skills, and unlocking your earning potential on this bustling platform. So start with identifying your strengths, optimizing your profile, and diving into the thriving marketplace that Fiverr is. It's about setting the wheels in motion today. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step on Fiverr and start exploring the myriad opportunities that await. Still with us? You're in for a delightful surprise. Open a world of opportunities with a free ebook spotlighting the top-tier online business to activate today. But the allure doesn't conclude there. Upon delving into the ebook, a magnetic 15-day challenge awaits, meticulously crafted for this digital venture. With mentorship from the creme de la creme, insightful revelations, and an arsenal of startup tools, your route to online supremacy is predestined. Feeling tempted? Respond with urgency. Click that link in the description immediately and navigate towards your online success story. Today's money-making method shared, and your thoughts? Tried it? Questions? Drop them in comments. Did you find today's tips wallet-friendly? Hit like to show appreciation. For more financial wisdom, subscribe and ding the bell, staying ahead with each valuable advice. Before exiting, spotted that video on your screen? It's another golden nugget for wealth building. Jump in, let's keep the cash flow growing. See you in the next one.